Oh, hi, welcome back to my vlog, Piece of Life. And if you are new here, hello. If you're coming back, hello. My hair, natural hair, don't care. This is my natural curly hair. But I just wanted to quickly show you this gift. This was like a late birthday gift that I got, and I wanted to show it to you all because I think you're gonna really love it. So it came from Net-a-Porter. Hope I'm pronouncing that right. I'm feeling a little bougie because I don't typically get designer, like, you know, gifts and stuff. So I kind of like, I know people hate unboxings, but like, I want to unbox this. Has a little ribbon. I mean, I'm feeling very expensive at this moment, even though I don't look expensive. I'm looking kind of shabby, but this jacket is so flipping cute. And yes, I've already worn it, but I wanted to put it back in the box to make it look cute. It was a gift, and the Frankie shop, it was sold out, but at Net-a-Porter, they had it, oh, I'm gonna fuss with my hair. They had it on sale. Not on sale, they had it online still. So check it out. And I think right now they're doing 25% off on Net-a-Porter. Let me just switch the lighting a little, sorry guys. Okay, so this is the jacket. I'm obsessed with this jacket. So it's called the Quilted Ripstop Jacket. It is so flipping cute, okay? I'm obsessed with this jacket. Now, what I love about it is that it's made oversized just to begin with. And this is the thing, I do like my hair tucked in like this when I'm wearing a jacket like this. Okay. Let's stay focused. But anywho, so I love it. The reason why they did it collarless is they wanted you to be able to wear chunky like turtlenecks underneath it and chunky sweaters. So it's made really oversized. It comes in a small, medium, and a medium large. So this is a medium large, and I wanted it really oversized. It's super cute. It has like this little slit detail here. I love that it is collarless, little snap, well, actually not snap buttons, buttons. But here's the killer part. Do you see how it pops out like that? That is like me doing nothing. See how just, that is so chic and designer. Also, the other cool thing is the back has that cool tag. Like, it's just little details. It's kind of like the Levi 501s, how the red tag, I just love the little red tag. I don't know why. When I see it, I love it. I recognize it. But I thought this was so dope, how they did the little tag in the back. It's just a cool jacket. I don't have anything like this because I do live in a warmer climate. I've never owned a puffer jacket. I literally do not have a puffer jacket. I think the heaviest thing I wear in the winter is like a trench coat or maybe like a thick blazer. So when I saw this, I mean, I just thought, look how chic that is. You guys, it just, I mean, like, it's a vibe. Like if you're wearing like leather jeans and just even Converse or a trainer or a chunky boot. I just threw this green top underneath it just to show you, like, today here where I live, I'm wearing this heavy coat and people are wearing shorts and like t-shirts. People were like, wow, you're really ready for that cold weather. But it's like, it is fall and it's not that warm. I mean, shorts, I don't think so, people. But like, I thought this would be really cute. Like, so wearing, like, you could either, I mean, like, do the pop of color and then just have the green bag. But I like it also when I'm just wearing all black. I'm just wearing black boots right now. But I just think this is so chic and cool. So I wanted to show you kind of some different ways to wear it. So the other thing too is it looks so good with a turtleneck. And I like how they describe that too. Like the really important things, they wanted you to be able to wear like a heavy sweater underneath it, which with a lot of jackets, like when you see puffers, a lot of time I feel like they're very narrow and you can't necessarily do that. So let's see, is this the back? Yeah. This sweater looks so jacked up. I got this last year from Zara and it's just all balled up and just crazy. But I'm not gonna get another one because I've gotten expensive sweaters, and this happens. Even if you get expensive sweaters, it just happens. Wherever you rub, there's like, it's just gonna happen. So this is gonna stay with me. This will be part of my uniform. But I love when I'm wearing turtlenecks and I just kind of leave my hair tucked in. I think that looks really chic. So this is like really cute little vibe. even without putting the jacket on. But we're gonna go for the vibe. I have a piece of hair on me. Okay, so look at this, you guys. This jacket is it. You've got to get it. It's so flipping. Look at this. Look how chic this looks. Again, the back. I mean, look at that. This is just, look at that, how cool it is. I know but it just looks so European, like in Parisian. It's just so cool. You know, if you're in a lighter, like a warmer climate, you could wear like a cute little striped t-shirt underneath it and like vintage Levi jeans and a little ballet flat. You can wear trainers. I love it also, like if you're going to the gym in the morning, it looks so put together. Like throw this on your leggings and like your t-shirt or sports bra, and it just looks very cool. I also like it back with my Prada bag. I kind of like the idea of like the nylon bag. And this bag, I mean, I just feel like people have not found this bag yet, but this is the re-edition 2006 Prada bag, and it's so cool. I mean, if you like a top handle, this is it. But it's about the jacket. So I just have it paired back with this Zara sweater I got last season. And I love when wearing turtlenecks and having my hair kind of just tucked in. And then these are also Zara jeans. I'm kind of Zara out right now. I even have Zara boots on. Zara would be very proud of me. Okay, so Zara boots, but listen, we're keeping it like sustainable. Zara boots from last year, wearing them again this year. Zara sweater from last year, wearing it again this year. Zara jeans from last year, wearing them again this year. So I'm trying not to buy anything that I don't need. Again, this was a gift, and it's beautiful because people are always like, why aren't you cold? You should be wearing something heavier. But again, look at the back, the tag. It's so cool. Okay, so also wanted to show you, did I bring I have another sweater too I could show you that's really cute, just so you can see how you can wear thick things underneath it. So there's this one here too. Oh, actually, or you know what else is really cute is if you do like a, whatchamacallit, if you do like a hoodie, but then you wouldn't see that little tag. But see how this sweater is like really thick? And a lot of times, again, when you're wearing your like jackets like this, those quilted jackets, you don't always get the room. So the brand is called The Frankie Shop, and they carry it at Net-a-Porter and a lot of like higher end like websites. But look how cute that is. And then again, just paired back with the black jeans. These are just mom jeans from Zara. And I just think this is such a cool vibe. Again, you could throw on, if you want a little bit of color under your arm, and you're ready to go. And you look so chic and effortless, like you're not even trying. Or you could do the little Prada bag. But this is it. Like, this is going to be my uniform literally all year. Not all year, but all season. And then these are Zara pants that I got 2 years ago. And they have like a little split seam. And this would be so cute. Like this jacket with this. And then you could throw on, again, you could do trainers. You can do any kind of shoe you want. I just wanted to kind of show you some ideas. And then also, please do not be afraid to wear this like with a dress, because this is such a cool vibe. So this dress is from Zara. Again, last year, I'm going to be wearing this again this year. It has the cutout back, which is going to be is really in right now. It's been kind of a trend for a while. But I was watching the new Bottega runway, and they're still doing all their cutouts. But look how cute and chic this is. Like, this is something you could wear out to dinner, and it doesn't look like you're wearing like just a regular ski jacket or puff. I don't know what you call them, puffers or whatever, the North Face. But see how cool that little tag is. It has like, it does, the lighting you can't see, but it does have writing on it. But if you're just wearing this like knit dress, it's so cute. And then you could just throw on the little Prada bag, and then you could just pair it back like with the boots, would be so cute. And then maybe have a little bit of the skin showing. So it definitely looks cute over like a knit dress. Also, I wanted to show you, take this off. I love this green t-shirt. The green t-shirt is from H&M. It's a little big. I probably should have got it a little smaller, but I do like these mom jeans from last year. Also, you could do like a white shirt. You know, I always like that crisp I really just, I know this is gonna sound corny, I really just want to wear like a uniform vibe this winter. I want to be chic and just classic. I don't want a lot of fuss. I don't want a lot of trend. I really want to just like shop in my closet, you know, and just keep things like just effortless. Like the way I'm moving and grooving, putting things on, that's how it should be when you're like dressing. You don't want to have to think too much about everything, but this is really cute. You can just like do your like button. This smells so good. I just washed it and I'm just like getting whiffs of like the detergent. It smells so good. But like just that, you know, do your little French tuck. And it's like, I'm still wearing the high-waisted jeans, not ready for any low-waisted jeans, but you know, just easy breezy, the little bag, and you're ready to go. I just, like I said, I love that back. It looks so elegant and chic. I just think this is a cool jacket that I literally haven't heard a lot about. So I want you to get your hands on it, you know, before, I mean, it sold out. Like this is even cute too, like this. It sold out on the site, but again, some other places have it. But that's pretty much it. I just think you can wear it so many different ways, and it just feels like it looks a little bit more elevated. I really love it with the black turtleneck. I just think it's such a cool vibe. That's kind of how I was thinking when I first got it. I mean, the only thing I would maybe get is another turtleneck, possibly, to wear underneath this, like something a little bit lighter, like maybe a cream or like a nude kind of like sweater. But literally, you guys, I am not wasting my money on stuff I don't need. I feel like this, I literally would wear this as a uniform. Like my friends will be like, you wear that every time I see you? And I'm gonna say, yes, I do, because I don't think we need to keep buying stuff. It's like, yeah, if you're going out, you're gonna wear something different. But for every day, like, yeah, man, wear that. This will be my uniform. Like, look at today I have it on like with jeans, Zara jeans, and then, you know, tomorrow I could wear it with my leggings and wear like a cute, just like a t-shirt or a hoodie, and then wear a pair of trainers. Next day, wear it with like faded jeans and a cute like white t-shirt. I mean, like, play around with your stuff that you have in your closet already. Like this piece is like really the piece. Like this is like a whole uniform vibe for me. Like just paired back with the Zara ankle boots, the black jeans, the black chunky sweater. I'm ready to go. I love my hair tucked into my collar. I love like when the collar is just like messy like that and you just have your hair kind of like just tucked in. I think it looks very chic. If you want to add a bit of color, yeah, like the bag, I think that's fun if you're wearing all black. And then you just like, I mean, look at that. It's effortless chic. It's like, and then you could literally take the black jeans off, put on some 501 vintage jeans and a pair of trainers, and it's cool. Or some cute slides. It's like, this season is all about looking chic and effortless without using a lot of pieces. Like just your basics. A leather bottom, you know, you can be faux, pair of jeans, pair of black jeans, couple sweaters, a white oversized shirt, because that would look really cute with the leather jeans, couple handbags that you probably already have in your closet, and you're good to go, and you look cool and chic, and you're not like, I just feel like, I don't know, just I'm really into like more natural makeup, you know, just clothes that look comfortable like this. I love this. I even like love the green underneath this. So like if you're out, like again, today there are people wearing like cooler stuff. I mean, like it's probably not that cold, but I like, you could always do like that over that. I know this video is quick. I also want to tell you really quickly, if it's your birthday month, the gift at Sephora is bomb. I've never tried the Laneige, that lip balm. It is, I have it on right now. I'm kind of obsessed with that. And that was part of the gift. And it also came with a moisturizer, and it came with a mask. This was the birthday gift, you guys, so don't sleep on it. That's it. I know this is quick and fast, but just wanted to show you, you can just look cute without buying a ton of stuff. Okay, so I'm going to sign off. Have a great day. My vlog is called Peace of Life. Do something peaceful for yourself. You deserve it. Bye.